How to automate draw.io diagrams with ChatGPT. So you can go ahead and make your own code or XML file using ChatGPT and just importing it over here in your draw.io. So go ahead to your ChatGPT and ask for ChatGPT for a XML code. In our case, we went for create a detailed code in XML for a website schematic application on draw.io. But pretty much depends on you what kind of code you want. But once you have it, you should just go ahead and press on copy code over here. Now you're just gonna go ahead and open up an application that is similar to Notes or Notes itself. So you're gonna paste the code in here, and once that's done, just go ahead and save the note file. So go here to the file and press on save as. Go ahead to a file that you recognize, or a folder I mean, then just go ahead and put it there. Once you finished saving the file, make sure you save it as all files as well, just to make sure. And you're gonna go back to your draw.io. Then go here to the top right, which is the diagram, and press on import from, then go to device. You're gonna go to the file that you just copied. It should be this one over here. Then just go ahead and press on open. So it's just going to immediately import the diagram over here to your draw.io pretty much automatically. You can edit it to however you please as well, but that's pretty much how you do the diagram creation pretty much automatically at this point. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.